All right, guys, today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can wreck your PPF on your truck, car, vehicle in a real hurry. This guy here noticed some tar on, or some buildup or something on his hood, stuff like this. And he decided to just take a pressure washer really close and blast it with a pressure washer. Obviously, the pressure washer was way too close, way too high pressure, ripped the PPF open, and got underneath here and just went bleh, and opened it up. Because he did that, we got to replace the whole hood PPF. So is it worth it? No. Hand wash, use some proper chemicals to get it off. There are chemicals that are meant to take stuff off of PPF. There is those chemicals out there, guys. Don't do this. Don't be this guy. Just take proper care of your PPF. All right, guys, to remove this, we're actually just going to take like boiling hot water from a kettle and we're going to pour it on sections at a time, and that's going to help release this. You can use a steamer, you can use a heat gun. To me, this works good. Also, I don't have a steamer here at the shop, so we're going to do the boiling hot water method. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so we're going to take, like I said, right out of our kettle. On the last press I did this install, cut out the letters, and we are going to actually wrap inside the letters this time. So we're just going to continue. No adhesive left behind there. That's perfect. See how nice that pulls when you get fresh batch of hot water on there? Just all right, so as you can tell, I've got about half the hood removed right now. Just waiting for more of my water to warm up. And as I spray some alcohol in here, just to give it a clean wipe, you guys can see there's no adhesive. There's no scratching, no debris. Everything's good. So all I need to do here is give this guy a quick wipe down, or a good wipe down, and we're good to reinstall after removing the rest. We are to the point where it is now damaged, which is right here. Here, I started peeling into this apparently, and as you can see, there's no damage to the paint. It's just the PPF that got damaged. I mean, this was just a pressure washer that did this. It's not like it was a huge stone or something fell on it or anything like that. So we're just gonna keep heating this up. We're only a few minutes in to removal here. And honestly, the longest part of this has been just waiting for my water to get hot again. All right, the last little corner here. Get this one nice and hot, and it's gonna come off just perfectly. Look at that. That's clean. Boom. There you guys go. Removing damaged PPF, just like that. A few minutes worth of work. Don't have to work too hard for it. Just use some hot water. Thank you guys for watching day 20 of uploading video every day for 365 days. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.